Ciao Tesla people, today another video. I wanted to talk about Sentry Mode. So in the spring update there was one new feature, actually a couple of new features. One was the swipe to delete a recording of the Sentry Mode, and the other one was a notification of an event around your car with the Sentry Mode on, and you'll get a video clip on your phone, on your app, your Tesla app, okay? So here in Italy, this new feature is not available yet. I was trying to check it out if other people would got that, but it looks like it's not available here in Europe. And the other thing that I wanted to talk about is the Sentry Mode energy consumption. So how much battery the Sentry Mode will consume. So the first thing that I wanted to address, okay, let's talk about this, the battery. So 3 or 4 weeks ago, Elon Musk tweeted that the Sentry Mode consumption of the battery was too much, and that they were working on reducing this consumption by 40%, which is a lot. Last year I did 2 tests, leaving Sentry Mode on for 1 day, and I had a couple of results, between 5 and 5.5%, let's say between 5 and 6% of the battery consumption for 1 day if you leave Sentry Mode on. And it looked like it didn't matter how many events you had. Of course, if you had 100 events, it's okay. It would consume more, but I had like probably 10, 15 events, and the difference wasn't much. So between 5 and 6% of battery consumption in 1 day. Now, if they reduce that by 40%, that's almost 2-3% instead of that 5-6, which is a lot. Hopefully it will be like this, okay? But this update is not available yet, and we don't know when it's going to be available. The other thing, of course, the notification and the video clip on your smartphone, it is not available here in Europe, so I cannot test it. And as soon as it's going to be available, I will test that. And the third one is the swipe to delete recording. So here on the screen, on the display, I have my Sentry Mode logs, and I have a bunch of logs here. So there are some recording. So how to delete these entries. So before, you had to go through each one of this and hit the delete button here on the right side, and you get a confirmation. Right now you can do like this. You swipe to the right, you get the delete button, and you delete it. There is no confirmation or whatever. You just delete the clip, and it will delete it from the list that you have. Okay, so it's much easier, much faster, and I like this. You know, so you can delete any clip by just doing this, which is pretty good. Anyway, so this is the only things that I wanted to talk about Sentry Mode. If you have any question, please leave it down in the comment section. Please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notification if you're already subscribed, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.